टीवी अच्छी लिसीप्रिया कंगोचिया जी की जड़े एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट एक्टिविस्ट हिसाब से सारा विश्व में बर्तमान नाम कमाई। वेलकम टू कलिंगा टीवी। व्हाट डू यू थिंक आफ्टर द डिजास्टर cyclones in Orissa, what should the Orias do, or they have done little or they have done more to save the environment there in Orissa?
So you see, I grew up in Bhubaneswar, Odisha for my schooling reasons, and while I grew up there, I faced Cyclone Titli and Cyclone Fani in 2018 and 19. And during that, I saw a lot of devastation, and we all must be knowing about it. The people, Odissi people, like the Odisha people must be knowing about it. And I was really young at that time. I was a little toddler. And when I faced those, like in front of my own eyes, when I saw people suffering, becoming victims of it, I thought, why is this happening? ये कैसे हो रहा है? ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? फिर मेरे टीचर्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स बोलने लगे ये सब क्लाइमेट चेंज है, ये सब एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज से होने लगा। फिर मेरे माइंडसेट में हो रहा कि मैं किसी से रोकूं, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ जिससे ये सब विक्टिम्स को उन्हें बचाने के लिए, जैसे ये सब साइक्लोन्स फिर से ना आए, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ अपने साइड के लिए। फिर बोलने लगे, मैंने बहुत सा रिसर्च किया, पूछने के बाद मेंटर्स, मेरे टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स से, फिर उन्होंने बोला मैं एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट का जो भी काम करते हैं ना, मैं जो अभी कर रही हूँ वो सब स्टार्ट किया।
Now you have become world renowned environmentalist.
Yes.
How do you feel like that? Yes, people have recognized me and I am doing my bit for environment.
You see, climate change problem is not only for me or for you or for someone else. Climate change problem is for every single person living in this world. Each and every child living in this country, living in this world are already the victims of climate change. So we must act now. So we must take the immediate urgent climate action now. Not only myself can save this world.
What will be your message to the youngsters and kids like you who are really interested to do something for the climate?
Sure. So my generation, which is us, is already the victims of today's global climate crisis, and I don't want my future generations to face the same consequences again because of your inaction and empty false promises. The first step to save our planet is to change your behavior. So what I would like to say is that all our little things can make a huge difference, and age doesn't matter to make change.
My last question will be, you have been to the UN headquarters and you have visited several countries. So what was their interest? What is their interest in saving the environment? Is it really for the cause or for the sake of the environment?
Well, to be honest, in my opinion, देखो, last year COP28 in Dubai जो हुआ था, उसमें यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में, इट वाज अ कंप्लीट फेलियर क्योंकि लीडर्स कुछ बोल रहे थे एंड कुछ और ही हो रहा था. दे वर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम टेकिंग द रियल एक्शंस बाय नॉट डूइंग द रियल सॉल्यूशंस. तो आई वाज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट मैं बहुत वायरल हो गया था, मैंने बैनर लिया. आई रोट वी मस्ट एंड द एरा ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, क्योंकि फॉसिल फ्यूल्स से जो भी क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है ना वो मेन कॉज था. मैंने बार्जिंग किया, आई डिस्टर्बटेड दैट हाई लेवल पैनल सेशन. And फिर क्या हुआ? From that point onwards, it was the last day of COP28.
So they have taken you seriously now.
Yes. फिर उसके बाद जो भी बहुत सारे decades, बहुत सारे सालों से जो वो नहीं ले रहे थे, finally उन्होंने 2 days extend करके उस event को, they finally all the 196 countries part of UN ने agreement आ गई to end the era of fossil fuels by the year of 2060 and to double the clean renewable energies by the year of 2030.
Really, I must salute you and thanks for your efforts to save the environment and please keep it up. Carry on. Again, कलिंगा टीवी से बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
आशुतोष राउत, कलिंगा टीवी, दिल्ली.
Let me call upon Lissipriya first. Lissipriya is one of the youngest climate activists globally and has addressed the world leaders in the United Nations Climate Conference 2019 COP25 is to take immediate climate action to save our planet and the future. She is an outspoken young leader inspiring millions of people around the world and is one of the leading voices for climate change globally. Thank you, Lissipriya. Next, we have Ms. Kamya Karthikeyan, who is the daughter of CGR S. Karthikeyan of the Indian Navy. She recently accomplished a long-cherished mission to unfurl the tricolor on the summit of the highest peak of all 7 continents by summiting the final milestone 24th December 2024.